everyone, today I have Sephora Play Box for April, and I just thought I would share it with you. Pretty sure the dogs are conditioned to think that this is their box because they're pretty sure it's theirs. They're looking at me like, that's mine. So yeah, this is, hi baby. This is the bag this month. It says make it snappy, and inside there is a card. This is the card, and it's got your little 50 points that you shouldn't lose like I have in the past. So let's just jump in the bag and see what's in there. First things first. Ooh, it's Urban Decay High Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss, and I have never tried one of these. It's circled the shade you get. So mine is this color, and it looks kind of like a, I don't even know what to say, like unicorny type color. It's this, so I'm gonna swatch it. It's kind of like a clear like lip topper. It's got holographic colors, and I mean it's pretty, but I mean it would have been nice to try another color of the gloss to see how well it works, but you know. Ooh, so this is exciting. This is Drunk Elephant Baby Facial. I've always wanted to try a Drunk Elephant product, and this one, it basically says that you use once a week, you leave on, and then you rinse with warm water, and you can finish with oil. And I've always wanted to try Drunk Elephant, so I'm happy that they included it in the box. I think this is a really great sample. Then there's a Philosophy skincare, so there's a lot of skin this month. Exfoliating clay mask, and I feel like Sephora has sent me this same product before, and it's kind of gritty if I remember correctly. I mean, it's not bad, but I just think that they've sent it to me before, so I'm surprised to see it again. But it basically, it exfoliates, and it has salicylic acid for acne, so that's kind of not my favorite because I feel like acid, like salicylic acid and acne treatment stuff, stain your pillows a funny color, so I don't like that, but I'll try it. Then there's a Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer Complexion Perfector. I'm gonna try this. It says basically apply all over face for pores, so I might just put this on my pores and stuff, because like where I have noticeable pores, because I don't really like matte face, but I'm going to try this on my pores, like where I would put Benefit Professional, just to get rid of the like visible pores. But I'm gonna try that. Then I got Living Proof Shampoo and Conditioner Perfect Hair Day, so hopefully this will be nice. I'm in need of a shampoo and conditioner. I used to use a clarifying shampoo because I felt like my hair had a lot of buildup, but yeah, I'm excited to try those. And then there's a Sephora, I think this is my last thing, lipstick, Rouge Cream. Like, I feel like it's annoying when Sephora puts in 2 lip products. Why not an eye in lip products? Like, why do they do this? And I know it's gonna be red, because I could see on the box. So that's the color. That's it on my hand next to the unicorn one. And I just feel like, unless you're like Taylor Swift, why would I need this many red? I feel like, why do companies sell, put all their samples in red? I feel like red is probably like, is it the most popular lipstick color? Because I feel like all my samples come in red, and I just don't like red lipstick that much. I need like 1 or 2. It's okay. I'm probably never gonna buy this, Sephora. Send me a color other than red. I think that's everything in my box this month. I'm really excited for the lip gloss from Urban Decay, the Drunk Elephant, and I'm gonna try that primer. And the shampoo, which is this month's bonus, which is nice that it's not a perfume, so that's actually really good. But I'm disappointed in the Sephora collection lipstick, and I'm disappointed in the mask from Philosophy, only because I've had it before. And I wish that the Urban Decay lips thing was in a different color. I mean, it sounds like I've complained a lot. It's not my favorite box that Sephora's done. They've sent a lot of great ones, but the last couple have been kind of like why? But I guess this makes up for it. So I'm really excited to try this, and I'll see you guys later.